The purpose of the training was to provide counter-UAS capture technology for students to familiarize on. The soldiers and the carabinieri, they participated in training on the SkyWall Patrol. It is a non-lethal air compression launcher that fires a projectile that will deploy a net to capture the drone, and instead of falling and crashing to the ground, it deploys a parachute so the drone remains intact. The system that's demonstrated here today has not been used in the United States Army before. This system can be used in multiple facets. With UAS technologies, how they are right now, there are multiple UASs out there that can be used for nefarious reasons. So this technology could be used to capture those UASs and allow for our soldiers to be able to exploit their technologies later.
Shooting the SkyWall, I was a little nervous at first because it's almost my size. I'm 60 inches and that's about 52 inches. My favorite part about shooting this scene was seeing the net actually grab the drone and bring it down. A CUAS capture system gives soldiers new technology to capture new information from the enemy.